Alright.
Them two come right over and started chowing.
That's the way to keep them. Poor little guy. I bet
Kitty.
No, I bet he's hurt.
No, he ain't.
Well, look at him.
Let's touch him.
No, don't touch him. They're just babies.
You didn't see the whole three of them?
No, I just saw that guy right there.
He ain't hurt, he's just fucking scared.
Watch your language.
Scared. Scared.
He's so cute.
Casey picked him up last time.
Eat it.
Them two ain't scared enough. Jesse, what's in the bucket?
No, don't get her going.
Little Mises.
Little Mises? I can't find them now. Where'd they go? There.
You posting this on YouTube?
Probably.
Look at them. No food I got. They're probably thirsty too. You want to start a little sanction for
A little
Mises?
sanctuary for Mises?
Why don't you take a video of the birds that just hatched?
Did they just hatch?
Yeah, you can hear them.
Yeah,
Wildlife.
Robin's up there. There's two of them up there.
I worry about this guy right here.
I bet if we leave, he'll come out and get something to eat. Let me cut this dish down, put some water in it.
Can we just, like, let him go?
No, wait until Casey comes home.
They're thirsty.
That's why you
Cut this cup down and give him something to drink.
That's why you give him some water.
Go ahead. You can hear those tweetings. Yeah, so I came home. This is the bucket that we put returnable cans and bottles in for recycling. It's sitting on our porch. And I looked down and saw a little tiny mousey. I think he's hurt. Makes me sad. Probably got hurt when he fell in there. Okay. And we have up here, outside the window.
I cut it a little shallow, but
Right up there is a nest with the birdies in it. They come back every year and lay eggs.
There's water.
In that same place.
They're splitting them seeds right open. Go get some water, dummy.
Alright.
Probably will. Can you see him?
I can see the mother bird. Is that a mother bird?
No,
Yeah.
that's a baby.
No, that's a
That's a mother. I mean, that's a baby. You can
that's a-
see the new leaves on him. I mean, feathers.
It looks awful big for a baby.
Now we grab dummy by the back of the head and put him over there with the food.
No.